I'm doing right now, I'm regenning the Freightliner. So, on this Freightliner here, it'll tell me on the dash, it'll light up when it needs to be regen. So it'll take about anywhere from 15 or 20 minutes. So on these, this is a 2012 Freightliner. So on these, you gotta push a button. I'm gonna show you where the button is. Get on the other side so I can show you. So here's a button right here you push, but on my dash it'll give me a warning, the little symbol to regen. See that right there? It's regen right now. It's going to take a couple minutes, and this is for a 2012 Freightliner, and we have to push a button. Okay. What's good about this, you could do the button at any time, but it's got to be done as soon as possible. On the newer models, it'll give you time, but eventually you're gonna have to pull over on the freeway, on the shoulder, or wherever. You're gonna have to it'll regen it by itself. That's on the newer trucks, but on these, push the button. That's what I like about these old style Freightliner, first gen on the regen system. I'm going to show you the system right behind the cab below us. Check it out. Let me show you that. It's in Detroit. Let me show you that. That whole piece of that's the thing that cleans the air right there. I'm gonna show you the engine. It gets a
We're at Goodwill Dam. It's a dam here in California near Knights Ferry, and it's for the agriculture.
Try to get the water right here.
This dam was built in 1913. It's the oldest dam on the Stanislaus River.
It's freezing, Kay. This is very close to Knights Ferry.